Here we will do octal to decimal conversion. A number is given 345 within brackets, then subscript is 8. 345 base 8. That means it is an octal number. This 345 is not decimal 345. This is octal 345. You have to convert it into decimal equivalent. For this reason a question mark is given. That means what will be the decimal equivalent of octal 345. So we can write it like this: 345. The rightmost position is 0. Just next left to is 1. This is 2. So this is 0 position, this is 1 position, this is 2 position. And their weights are 8 to the power 0. Weight of one position is 8 to the power 1. Weight of the second position is 8 to the power 2. This is not second position, this is number 2 position. Because we write it from as 0, 1, 2 like this. We start from 0 for that reason. And their weights are according to the power of 8. In binary what we did, for binary to decimal conversion, we took the weight as 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, because 2 was the base there. In binary system base is 2, so we take the weights as base of that system. Similarly, in 345 is the octal number, so we will take the base of this system is 8, so we will take 8. The power of 8 will calculate the weights. Weight of 0 position is 8 to the power 0, weight of 1 position is 8 to the power 1, weight of 2 position is 8 to the power 2. Now we know each position has a phase value and each position has a place value. So the place value for this position will be phase value into, phase value is 3, into weight. Weight is 8 to the power 2. So we'll write the place value for this position as 3 into 8 to the power 2. We'll put it in brackets, then we'll give a plus. Then for the 2 position, phase value is 4 multiplied by weight of first position is 8 to the power 1. So into 8 to the power 1, bracket close, then again plus. For this position, 0 position, phase value is 5 multiplied with the weight of first 0 position is 8 to the power 0, so we'll write 8 to the power 0. Now we will perform the square. 8 to the power 2 means 8 into 8, that is 64. So 3 into 64 plus 8 to the power 1 means 8 into 1. So it will be 8 only. And anything to the power 0 means 1. Any number to the power 0 means 1. So 8 to the power 0 is 1. Except 0 to the power 0, other numbers are 1. Any positive natural numbers will give 1 only as the result. So 3 into 64, 192, plus 4 into 8, 32, plus 5 into 1, 5. Add these 3 numbers, you will get 229. This is only the equivalent of 345. 345 in octal now means 229 in decimal. So you put the base as 10. So 345 base 8 is equivalent to 229 base 10.